Oh, this is part 2, yeah. I had to stop recording because I checked if he had a YouTube channel. No, he doesn't.
Yes, I do.
No, he does not.
On your phone, it just doesn't show. I really do have a YouTube channel. On God, I do, guys.
How many subscribers?
1,000. I told you, I have the bronze gold play button. The bronze play
Guys, we are going to go to his house and see. Come on. We walk into your house.
And I would ask if I could stay the night.
Yeah, he's going to stay the night. We're going to be making YouTube videos all day. Guys, I'm uploading the other video. So, I need to get Wi-Fi real fast. Because if I don't, this video is not going to upload.
This way.
We're just going? No, we're going this way. See, I just told you what to do. Bro, where is this freaking possum? Troy wants to get in the bed with the possum.
Yep.
Yeah, he wants to get in the bed with the possum. He loves possums. It's his favorite animal, but he's scared of them.
Hey, my trash is still here.
Oh yeah, he forgot to pick up his trash. Yeah. Go back to the other video. And yeah, part 1 of exploring.
Or it's part 2 or 1?
It's part 1.
Yeah, part 1.
Okay, so yeah, go to that video and.
So we're gonna go to my house. First, I gotta ask Aiden's parents if I can stay the night.
Nah, go to your house first. Because everybody wants to see our bronze play button. My bronze play button.
Oh, excuse you for stealing my play button here, but I gotta.
Did it come in the mail?
Yeah.
Really?
In a big package.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Where is it? Is it on your wall?
Yep. By my beautiful puzzle picture.
He likes puzzles, but he
Yeah.
gets mad.
Yeah, I get mad if I don't know where the piece is.
Yep. What is that?
I don't know. It's a little fuzzy thing. All right, let's actually
Little fuzzy?
if I can stay the night first.
Let's go to our house first. Your house. Because everybody is cheering. If you could stay the night. Yeah, I mean, not. No. Everybody's cheering. They want to see the bronze play button. Come on.
No,
Nope.